Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the area of the following trapezium, PQRS, and all the length are measured in centimeter. So step 1 will be to identify the parallel sides. So in this case, PS and RQ. Next, identify the height, which is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. In this case, PT, which is 4. Once we have that, we would then be able to find the area of the trapezium easily. The parallel sides is 3 and 7. Later we will sum them out, 3 plus 7. Then we will then be able to multiply by half and 4, and this will give me a value of 20 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.